When you're working in stocking stitch, this is how to tell if you're on a knit or a purl row. When you're at the start of a row, hold the knitting with all the stitches in your left hand, ready to work the next row. If the knitting hanging down from your left hand needle is smooth V's, then you should knit a knit row next. If the knitting hanging down from your left hand needle is bumpy with horizontal bars, then you should work a purl row. If you have put your work down in the middle of a row and are unsure whether you're on a knit or a purl row, pick up your knitting so that your yarn is coming from the right hand needle. If you can see nice smooth V's to the front of your needles, you're on a knit row. Make sure that your yarn is to the back before you continue knitting. You may find it helpful to remember that when you do a knit stitch, you put the bump of the stitch on the back of your needles, and the front is a nice smooth V. If when you pick up your knitting with the yarn hanging from the right hand needle, you see bumps to the front of your work, then you're on a purl row. Remember to keep the yarn to the front. You may find it helpful to remember that a purl stitch creates the bump to the front of your needles and the smooth V's at the back of your needles.